back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Yeah, that. So finally, I've been saying this for maybe about a year. We finally have Nikki Fit herself here on my channel. And if you guys don't know, she's a personal trainer, first of all, this is who tricked me with her bands. Remember that video? I said I wanted the pink one. I didn't know. But finally, I'm actually going to do her makeup. I'm going to recreate one of my eye looks on these little bitty eyes. And she has like little hooded lids, and I'm going to do it. I know it's like, wow, that's not that different. You guys are like the same complexion. I get it, I know. But she thinks she's a little darker, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get this bright, vibrant look on dark skin. This look right here that I did for my Instagram live video for my 1-year anniversary of my channel, my Instagram. I know, it's going on too, so it's scary. She was there when my first video, my first subscriber, my first follow Instagram, so full circle right now. But if you guys ready to see me create this, what are you doing? If you guys ready to see me create this colorful look on this chocolate skin, keep on watching. So off camera, like I do with my own looks, I went ahead and did her brows and I primed the lids. I actually went ahead and used that Too Faced malt, was it chocolate malt? It's supposed to be a liquid eyeshadow, a matte one, or primer. And I did send a video that I got for Bratty Charm that, what are you doing? I did send a video that I was gonna be using that as a primer on darker skin, so I went ahead and did that. So let's get started. So I'm going to my 8th beauty palette, the Scarlet Dust palette. You guys know it would be on the screen. I'm going into this crimson shade that's really, really bright. So, you guys ready to see if it works? You ready? Don't do that. Alright, so with my large fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a transition. Okay. So this is hard to like, I never do somebody's makeup like sitting down. You don't have to lean in, but so bad.
You gonna do that braid?
Yeah, I'm gonna build the pigment. It's not blending horribly, so this primer or liquid eyeshadow is not that bad as an actual primer, so it's doing a job. Pigment's being picked up, so that's good. So Nicola, again, she has like little tiny eyes and hooded lids, lots of lid space. I mean, you can talk to me. Nobody has to. You don't have to talk to them. I mean, unless you want to. You want to say anything, you can go ahead and speak. Yeah, Nicola, she doesn't do any color. She does like an inner corner highlight and goes about her business.
Yeah, and that's it. And some lashes. Her lashes.
Mine.
Right.
That's it.
She probably, I was gonna say, I got the lashes. Not everybody may have them.
What do you mean? No, nobody. Okay, so off camera, I just go ahead and completely blend in that crimson shade. You see how it looks really nice? And I went ahead and added a little pink from the Norvina ABH collection. This is the, what is this? This is the Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. So I did go ahead and add this, like, I don't know, it's like a neon pink. You guys will see it on the screen, stop playing with me. I did add that to the crease, just using my Morphe E36. For the sake of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. But you can see that pink blended in really, really nicely. And you still see a little bit of the coral on the inside. And it looks so good on her skin, I guess. But not when she does that. So, she's gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. She's just here like, I guess she's just here like for looks. She's not coming to y'all, but I don't know why. Okay, so, she's gonna go ahead and hit the crease. See, as soon as I put it down, like, it's pink and pigmented, just so y'all know. But yeah, so like I said, Nikki's been here from the beginning of my channel.
Yeah, I remember when she was thinking about making the first video, y'all. And now we here.
It's true. First of all, we were working at the same terrible job honestly, if you guys want a story time about all the bullshit that we went through we got stories because we weren't even in the same department at first, and then they just threw me in there. So
they really threw it in there.
They just threw. I was no training, at my desk
doing nothing.
She was applying for other jobs. She was typing up her resume on the work. Y'all, it was a lot.
Listen,
it was just a lot. And then I left, and everybody got fired.
That is what did happen. That's what happened.
I found a new job. I literally got a raise. I was supposed to get another one. They didn't give it to me. And then I found a new job, and then I left, and everybody got fired.
Yeah, basically.
Literally, my last day was a Wednesday. I was off that Thursday. And that Friday, everybody got fired.
That's it.
It was wild. Like, yo, that was a lot. But yeah, we both came from the same job, left it, and started doing what we were meant to do. Mm-hmm. And that's really it. The crimson shade is really just for the transition. It really did make it did make a really good base for this pink. I'm not gonna lie. So
I feel like this palette is really nice.
It is. I got this. If you guys remember my care package from my aunt when she sent me a bunch of stuff from Ulta, this was in it, and then my friend got me, I think, volume 2, the blue palette that you like too. You like that one too. She got me the blue palette for my birthday. So I do have 2 Norvina palettes, and they're really, really, really good. I still have it. Now, I'm the only person in the world that didn't really use their Modern Renaissance palette. And this girl's Modern Renaissance.
Oh yeah, I use that palette. And a lot of people didn't like that palette. I can see why, but I use that palette a lot because it's easy. It was
a very neutral palette. Like, you can get a couple cute looks out of it, but it wasn't like this. No, there was no color. I'm gonna go back into my Scarlet Dust palette. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the crimson shade on my brush and blend those together. Like, literally just a little bit. And I'm just going to hit the crease. You guys know me. Blend it till my wrist hurt and then keep blending some more. She doesn't do that. I don't know why.
Yeah. I just go.
No, she does. And she used to do her makeup at work.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Yo.
I used to have my little mirror. I didn't even have a proper mirror. I used to ask my boss for a mirror.
She used to come back from the bathroom in a different outfit. She would put her head down and put her head back up because we literally were across from each other. And her face would be done. And she's going like this, fixing her lashes.
Lashes, yep.
Nuts. And I wasn't even wearing lashes.
You guys know that when you have the after work link, you have to be ready.
She was going out with her friend. Who tried to blame her? I'm just sorry.
Oh yeah, that too.
Listen, too many things were happening here. Too many things. Okay, I think it's fine. So I'm gonna go in with the same Morphe E36. I'm going to my BH Day and Night palette for that purple. You guys know that purple. Lawrence Justin Black out here on YouTube, who just hit 1K. Shout out to him. And he's about to pass me, okay? He's about to pass me in subs. So make sure y'all sub now before he blows up and he act like he don't know nobody. Remember, he was here first. He calls the Kid Cudi palette. I'm just gonna go into the purple and actually start hitting the outer corner. And I'm just gonna show you that, and then off camera I'm gonna blend it out because did you just? She did. So yep, the Day and Night palette. We got the Kid Cudi palette.
They have bomb palettes too.
BH Cosmetics is slept on.
Do not sleep on them just because it's a lower price.
It's really, really cheap, but the pigment.
Yes.
It's really crazy. It's
their glitter shadows too are really nice.
I haven't used their glitter, but I used to love their sponge. They have a purple like beauty sponge. It's a lot denser than the beauty blender, which I think I like. I like a denser sponge, but nothing that's gonna be like a rock. I can't do that. But my favorite is still gonna be the Real Technique sponge because
they're top tier.
It is. It's big. It's cheap.
And you get 2 sometimes.
Oh, sometimes you get 2.
Right.
Sorry. All right. So I'm gonna hit the purple on the outer corner like this. I'm so happy. I've been dying to do. I've been trying to do pinks on her forever.
And I finally said yes.
She ain't nothing to do today. It's gonna be a good video. It's gonna be easy though.
Oh, you like that purple?
Bitch, the purple and the pink are the most pigmented purples I've ever seen in my whole life. It might stain a little bit.
Do you?
I need to buy another one.
I was gonna say, are you gonna buy another one just to get this purple in?
Yeah, really. I used up the mauve one that is on your shirt. This one. It fell out. Like, it's been through some things, this palette. Okay, so off camera, I did go ahead and finish blending out the purple here. And I went ahead and cut the crease. I went back and used the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow by Too Faced Cosmetics to cut the crease because it is a really good primer for her. It just looks really good. Again, for me, it was just it was brown. I couldn't use brown. I need like tan. I just used to cut the crease and I pretty much finished up one eye off camera. I went ahead and used the Scarlet Dusk palette by Ace Beauty. And I went into the Hibiscus shade and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that on right here. Originally, I wasn't gonna cut the crease, but I was like, I think I cut the crease in that video, so I'm just gonna do what I did. That's it. And it's just very pigmented. I didn't go in with any glitter primer, so it's just really good. Ooh. Right now, I'm gonna go back into the Kid Cudi palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to that's what he called it. What? Every time I pick it up, I always say day and night. So like I have to do it anyway. It's just to clean up and blend it together. This is very awkward, I'm not gonna lie to you, sitting down to do it because first of all, I do my own makeup standing up. I only sit down to do makeup. I only sit down to do makeup on YouTube. That's it. As you can see, like even in my makeup artist vlogs, and another vlog will be coming right after this, my toucan shot. You guys, there's a lot in that video. She wished she was there, but
I was mad when I saw the pictures. I was like, why wasn't I there?
Yeah, it was a really good shoot. My personal shoots go really, really smooth. They're really, really fun. But when I'm working a shoot, it's different.
Right. Clients be crazy.
Listen, if you guys want us to spill the tea on like some clients, because she goes through the same things I do with like fitness, it's a lot, and y'all are unprofessional.
Why y'all act like that?
Y'all are crony. That's what it is.
Right. Like why y'all act like that?
And it's just out of control, which is why people make you give a deposit. There's a fee for being late. Like that's why all these things happen when you book appointments, because y'all don't know how to act.
Well, showing love to the people that actually are nice. But the rest of y'all,
right?
No.
Unapologetic, just I'm here when I'm here, and that's it. And that's tacky. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and actually finish up the look, just so you guys can see. The only thing I'm going to do is add a pop-up color to the waterline. I'm going to do her foundation, and we're going to add some lashes. My lashes. So we'll be right back for the final look.
We'll be back.
You excited?
Yeah. I'm gonna be a baddie. I mean, I'm already a baddie. But...
All right, let's go. See you guys when we come back. All right, guys. So this is the final look. How do you guys like it? How do you like it?
I look stunning. You know, regular shit. Look at my lashes. You know. Anybody got these? Fuck out of here. Okay, I don't know. I can't carry my head.
Seriously though, how do you feel about the look?
I love the pink. I never really play around with pink, and I really like the pink in my inner duck. I always do gold, so pink is a different field for me, but I like it. It's been coming out popping in my pictures. I look beautiful. I actually really like how bright the pink looks on my skin. I always used to be like, eyeshadow don't look bright on my skin, so like I feel comfortable, I feel good, and I like that you understood that I just want lip gloss, and I just feel like a bad bitch.
Okay, that was a lot, but I have been telling you guys since the beginning of my channel that you do not have to be my complexion. You can be darker to make these colors work. I have been trying, you guys don't understand, for a long time to use hot pink on her. I keep saying like, oh, pink would look so good with your skin. If you have deep skin, pinks would look really, really beautiful. Purples, even lavenders, yellows. Yellows look really, really good. On me, you can't really see them all the time, but whatever. But they really do look good. So you can use a lot of bright colors. There's a lot of things you can do without having to use a white base to make these color pop on your skin.
Yes, we did not use any white base to get this pink, just so you know.
So would you try this? Would you try colors on your own?
Maybe not pink, but I would try a color now. Nah, I won't jump to pink. I'll probably ask you again.
What colors would you feel comfortable doing?
I'll probably do purple.
I think purple.
Yeah, purple. Purple would be like a nice step, like a lavender kind of look. Yeah, I definitely would try, and then venture into pink. I think it's because I just need to learn how to pick shades of pink that go together. Like you're natural at it. So.
Okay, I get it. Yeah, you just. What is that? How you feel about the lashes?
Oh no, the lashes, y'all. That's all I got for you guys. I'm like, these right here, quality. Like, I've been looking at them, and even though before they were on, the eyeshadow was the look, but the lashes, yes.
Okay, so these are in the style Bratty. They're more wispier and on the ends, and I did flare out the look because she has really small eyes. But like I said, she has good lid space, and they are hooded lids, so can you just like look down? Right. So the thing is, when you cut the crease, you want to go above where that little fold of skin is, so that it looks like you cut the crease. I originally wasn't gonna cut the crease, but you kind of have to if you have like hooded lids a little bit. And there's a trick. I think you put like concealer like in the middle of your eyes, and then you look up, and that's where you mark it if you have hooded lids. I don't have hooded lids, so I do whatever I want whenever I want. And you guys know I tell people you can make a whole new crease if you want to. So you can definitely try out my look if you have a different eye shape, if you're a different skin tone. You can definitely always do something to make it work. As you can see, it was not that hard. The blending was actually, these shadows were really, really good. So they blend really, really nicely. It wasn't anything. And even though you didn't see, you guys actually did see most of the blending on camera. I just went ahead and finished one eye off just so you got time, because y'all complain. Y'all say y'all like short videos, but y'all don't, but whatever. Okay. But that's pretty much it. So if you guys like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video, give it a big thumbs up. It definitely helps me out a lot. Make sure you check out Nikki's channel, Body by Nikki. I'll leave a card up here, and there'll be a card somewhere, so you can check it out. She is coming back with more videos soon. She is, remember, a personal trainer, fitness guru, lifestyle, but get on her business, all that stuff. And follow her on Instagram. Isn't you wanna
y'all better like, comment, and subscribe on her videos.
Okay, you
and
heard
watch
her.
her shit.
You heard.
That's all I got to say.
Hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork.
Like clockwork.
Clockwork. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next. I don't know. All right, guys. So this is the what? Why? Why do you wait till I do stuff?
Sorry.
Why?
All right, I'm ready for real now. I'm ready. Okay.
This is gonna be at the end of the video because you play too much. Next time. Why?
All right, we're done. We're done. Are we gonna do the thumbnail?
Oh my god.